Hello again. So, I plugged my server into my switch, and this screen is a welcome screen. So, this is the ipmi, or whatever they're calling it, BMC. Yeah, my focus is crazy on this phone. Anyway, so this is good. This means it's running. All right. So, I already did this earlier, and I was in a little bit of a panic attack because I went into here, I clicked DIMM inventory, memory attributes. Hey, look, so it shows I have maximum capacity 512. That's good to know. Install capacity of 160, which was curious. 8 slots available, but then 5 slots used. I put 6 DIMMs in there. I went into here to look, and I could see that all but so many DIMMs are recognized. One of them's not recognized. So, I actually moved some things around, and it turns out that, yeah, it is a quirk with having only 6 DIMMs populated. Also, something to note. That's not it. Okay. There is a manual, obviously. All right. And it's good that I'm able to pull it up online, and it shows where the DIMMs are in relation to the CPU. It also shows what it's compatible with. And then there's something down here. DIMMs must be populated in sequential alphabetical order starting with bank A. And now that I know where bank A is, I'm able to populate this properly. What I will probably do, I might move some of this stuff around just to see what happens. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the DIMMs. Right now I have 4 DIMMs here. If I go to this, you can see I have 4 DIMMs on one side. And maybe you'll see, yep, 2 DIMMs on that side. So I'll check to see if everything's properly seated. But I know for a fact that, try to put my finger in here without touching something that is running. I know for a fact that this DIMM was recognizing before I moved stuff around. That tells me that, first of all, moving stuff around, it's able to recognize in different slots. That's good. That tells me that I'm able to, all the slots are firing up. That was one of my biggest concerns. Okay, all the slots are firing up. So like these here were showing, but then there was some DIMMs missing on here last time I had it, the last way I had it configured. So my DIMMs are being recognized, which is good. I don't have any bad DIMMs, and my slots are being recognized, which means the motherboard isn't messed up, the CPU's not messed up, and I didn't screw up plugging it in, as far as I know. Have not tested any of the PCIe stuff yet, and that will come soon. So what I'll probably do is, I don't like mixing, I don't know, I mean, it all works, right? But I like to have it all the same brand, at least all Samsung, all Hynix, and it probably come from the same manufacturer, you know, same fab. I know Samsung has their own fabs, but you know, aside from the incoherent rambling, I'll probably switch some things around, see if I can get all 6 to fire up. Of course, by the time I'm done messing with that, my other stuff will come in and it will be a moot point. But if I can't get it to do that, or if I think it's just too much of a headache, I'm just going to yank the oddball out and then just go with that. And I'll probably just make sure it's all Samsung. The other 2 are Hynix. I'll just make it all Samsung. Anyway, short enough, I guess. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. It'll probably be build part 3.